Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing vocabulary quiz. You can easily create quizzes like this so your learners can test their vocabulary and maybe learn some new words along the way. I'll be using iSpring Quiz Maker to create this quiz. Okay, let's get started. Let's begin by opening iSpring Quiz Maker and starting a new quiz. Then you have to head over to Question. There are many different question types to choose from, like matching, drag and drop, hotspot, and more. We'll begin this quiz with a multiple choice question to assess your learner's vocabulary. Here we can add our question, and down here we can put our answer options. Let's try a drag the words question. Up here you can add instructions, and down here you can add your text. When there is a word you want your learner to have to drag into place, select Insert Blank and write the word in the box. You can add as many words as you like, but you'll want to make sure to add at least 2. To test your students' knowledge and writing skills, let's add a short answer question next. As usual, you can write your question up here and then you can fill in your acceptable answers below. You can see here that my options are different versions of the same answer, but with varying punctuation and spelling. At any time, you can find more options for each question in the menu over here. You can adjust the question type, when your student will receive feedback, how scoring works, as well as the number of attempts your student will get to answer correctly. You can also choose to add a time limit to each question. And then, depending on the type of question you've selected, you will get additional options like answers are case sensitive. Down here, you can set up feedback. Feedback is the response your students will get depending on if they answer correctly or not. You can change your feedback message for correct or incorrect answers. And of course, you can adjust your scoring for both as well. Vocabulary quizzes should be engaging, and one of the ways to create an engaging experience is by adding eye-catching visuals. Let me show you just how easy it is to design your quiz in Slide View. I'm going to add a picture. Now I can adjust this picture to take up more of the frame, so I'll just click on it and drag it to the correct size. I'll also want to crop it a bit, so I'll just right-click and choose Crop. That's better. Now I will make the question stand out a little more. Lastly, I'll adjust the answer placement. There we go. That looks so much better. And here we have our full designed quiz. I made changes to other questions in the same way. Okay, now that we have our vocabulary quiz all set up, let's make sure it's working properly by taking a look at the preview. Looks good. Let's quickly see how it would look on a cell phone. That's great too. Okay, now we should make sure it works how it's supposed to. Excellent. Now we're ready to publish. You have the option here to export directly to your computer, to iSpring Cloud, which is an online service for secure hosting and sharing your quizzes, or iSpring Learn, a learning management system for corporate training, or to another LMS using one of the supported LMS profiles like SCORM 2004 or SCORM 1.2, or save it as a Word document. Today, I'm going to publish directly to my computer. And that's it. You have a fully functioning vocabulary quiz to test your students. Just remember, with iSpring Suite, you're not limited to testing your learner's vocabulary. You can check all 4 skills: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Good luck!